know will put a smile on my face each time I see them. Spending time with them is always so much fun, and I want to thank them all for putting up with me. Some of them I've known longer than others, but that doesn't mean I love you any less. Thanks for being pretty awesome friends. Will Amanda, Nick, Antonio, Courtney, and Alex, and Alexa light this candle?
That's right, keep those hands clapping.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me. 1, 2, 3.
You have one more thing to say?
So I just wanted to thank all of you for coming. There is I don't know if you guys couldn't tell. It's the Emerald City. It's beautiful. Oh wow! There we go. Got it. Got it. Thank you. So yeah, there's gonna be cake later, and there's gonna be there's doorbells happening. Anyway, so I want to thank all of you for coming a lot, and yeah, so thanks, guys.